Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. Oh, I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. Oh, I'm Haikou city bound.
Okay, so this is Haikou State Beach Park. So you can see some basketball there. We're just on this major road right there. And we're going to show you what this looks like. Some coconuts up in that tree. This is called the Coconut City, Haikou. Lots of basketball. Let's go over there and check it all out, and we'll give you an idea of what this looks like. And this is kind of the northern coast of Haikou City. And you can see the ocean straight ahead. Haikou, up on the map, we're in Hainan. As you can see, we're going to narrow this down, and then the name of the street is Shujingkao Street. We're going to be walking around at nighttime. And then I got another Haikou coming up where I'm going to film it in the daytime, so you can see the difference between the night and the day. And I have about 15 other Haikou videos too, so I'm going to be uploading lots of other stuff around different streets in this particular area, which is probably one of the best areas in the whole city, and some other random stuff around as well. So anyways, stay tuned for that by subscribing, and then also stay tuned and you can hear the walk and talk where I'm going to walk down at nighttime down this street. Okay, so you got coconuts there. Looks like there's some boats right there. Get some meat, coconuts. And some other like kind of hot dog, roast sausage. Okay, so let's go take a look at the beach here. When I first look at it, you got lots of boating equipment. Actually, this looks nice. It's even like clothing for going out in the water and it's kind of cold like this. There's somebody right there. Oh, there's somebody who stays right here. Somebody's home. Or camping out. So okay, this is kind of what this looks like, and I believe Holiday Beach is all the way down. The other one. Okay, so my plan is to go over there, and then I'm going to film once we get over that way a little bit. That's the center of Haikou over that way. So we're kind of west of the city a little bit. Looks like a bunch of like oil refineries, or no, those are probably shipping. These are those things that bring in the big crates. Okay, so let's go down over there. Okay, so we were down there just on the other one a little bit, and now we're gonna just walk down this big way right down this way. I just go all the way down. So let's try to capture the feel of this whole space in here. Oops. So now here we go. So this goes all the way down to Holiday Beach. So Holiday Beach is going to be all the way down. Looks like you can also, it's kind of elevated and then it comes all the way down like that. It's a nice sandy beach. No, and I'm going to go even further down, and then I'm going to turn the, there's some people out there that are like swimming fully. Okay. go down and see what else is down there. Way down there is called Holiday Beach, so we're gonna get over that way as well, get an idea. But I think Holiday Beach is this, I think it's about 1 kilometer down that way. Huh. Looks like there's also a bridge way out there in the distance, and there's like an island over there as well. So I didn't realize they had that. I wonder how many tourists come here. It's different than when I was just in Sanya just a little while ago. Feels more like locals here. But I wonder if in the summertime it would be, I don't know. Don't know. I only know what it's like right now on December 7, 2024. Okay, let's do a little scan here. And then behind me there's actually places that you can just kind of sit and hang out. So there's all these chairs you can sit, and they have tables. Looks like they also have coconuts as well. So that's kind of cool. So not everybody wants to sit on the sand itself. It looks like there's more of it over there too. There's a guy climbing the coconut tree there. It's kind of cool. So now you can see that people can sit up on the grass. And it looks like they can also go underneath here too. Then as you can see, there's lots of grass up here and places up here too. Some restaurants, Sea View restaurant right there as well. Jogging trail, walking trail. So kind of cool. You probably climb that tree as well. Coconut tree still has coconuts too. Okay, nice beach. Okay, so here's another angle of the beach. So yeah, it's December. Looks pretty nice. So I think that might be enough, but I think you have a pretty good idea of what the beach looks like in this area. And it's Haikou. So now you have a better idea. Yeah, I think I read it goes down like 6 or 7 kilometers total. So there's lots of spaces. It looks like there's a lot of like you could really find your own spot if you're so inclined to find one. And I think that's enough. Just tight up there. I don't think it's going to change too much from what we're seeing right now. So, and just in case you're curious, there's a highway over there. All right, Haikou's main beach. Might be different way up there. I don't know. There's some tall buildings way up in the distance. It could be. I don't know. But we're gonna end this one.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City.